Welcome to a 10-minute guided Vipassana meditation that you can do anytime, anywhere. To start, just make sure that you're sitting comfortably in any position that works for you. This might be on a chair or on a cushion on the floor. It doesn't really matter, as long as your back and neck are relatively straight. Keep your mouth gently closed and breathe only through your nose. When you're ready, I invite you to close your eyes and bring your attention inwards. Just become aware of your breath and the fact that you're breathing. Notice what the sensation of breathing really feels like. Now just notice where you feel the breath most easily. It might be at the belly, the ribs. It might be at the chest, the shoulders, or even inside the nostrils. Just stay with the sensation of the breath at any part of the body where you feel it most easily, and noticing how the sensations change with each in-breath and with each out-breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Let the breath be exactly as it is, completely natural. You might even notice if the breath is long or if it's short. You might notice if it's deep or if it's shallow. Again, just let the breath be exactly as it is. If it's short, let it be short. If it's long, let it be long. If it's deep, let it be deep. Or shallow, let it be shallow. If thoughts arise, and they will, just calmly and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Back to the sensations of the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Now just bring your awareness from that area where you're focusing on the breath to the top of your head, and feel all the sensations that you feel on the scalp of your head. You could feel anything there. Could be tingling, vibrating, heaviness or lightness. It could even be pain. Anything that you feel. Moving across the entire scalp and the back of the head. Down the sides of the head. And feeling the forehead. Moving across the face. And noticing how the face feels. Any sensations you feel in the face, including the ears, moving through the jaw, and moving down through the front of the neck. Feeling your chest, moving down through to the belly, expansion, contraction. Feeling your hands, any sensations in your hands. Might be warmth or coldness, maybe even moisture. Moving up through the wrists, the forearms, up through the upper arms, and feeling the shoulders. Moving along the sides of the neck, up through to the back of the neck. Feeling the upper back, feeling the middle of the back, and the lower back. Noticing the entirety of your back, any sensations that you feel. Stiffness or looseness, pain, or even lack of pain. Moving through the seat of the trunk, on the floor, down through the legs, the thighs, the knees, feeling the lower legs, the ankles, and your feet. Any sensation in this area of the body. And now just feeling the entire body as you breathe in, as you breathe out. All the sensations throughout your body. Now just slowly bringing your attention back to the room that you're in, noticing your environment, and opening your eyes when you're ready. Having gratitude towards yourself for taking this time to look after your mind, being thankful, and taking this feeling with you into the rest of your day.